The snow is falling. The falls are becoming heavier, and you might be able to hear in the background there the wind is picking up, although it's more up in the trees down rather than down here at ground level. It's a powdery, flaky snow. More is forecast into the night. What Paul is doing, I'll be giving him a hand in a second. He's starting to clear pathways here with a snow shovel, so it doesn't pile up, and it's usually so it gives us quick access to the firewood, the vehicle, and the snow blower, which we'll need later on. We've got to keep these steps clear of snow as much as possible. I mean, it's falling fairly heavily, and just broom it off, because this snow cakes on your boots when you walk in it, even on there, and it becomes rather slippery, and keep the door sills clear of snow as well. Well, I've had about 6 inches of snow since 9 o'clock this morning, and this will give you some idea of the depth. That's where we've done a bit of snow shoveling. That's it there. The snow's still pouring down. We'll have a look up. It's a bit squally. Not too bad here, but out in the open it'll be squally. And at one stage there, the two of us were barely able to keep up with the snow shoveling to cut these trails. Once we got the second shovel on, it made it a bit easier, so we've got to keep an eye on the weather and the snow. It's light fluffy stuff at the moment, it's pretty easy to move, and we're just going inside for a bit of a break. The main thing is we've got to keep the access around the wood pile clear to the doorways, keep the snow swept off that as much as we possibly can, off the steps, and of course access to the generator shed, just in case we lose power. It doesn't necessarily mean we'll start the generator up straight away. Paul's got himself well set up times of power failure, but if it's a prolonged one, then we might have to fire it up. There's a view of the snow and the trees. My damn finger works in this cold, which it isn't. There it is. And it looks like the snow's starting to get a bit sticky at the moment. The steps again. Oh, damn. Well, we're completely snowed in at the moment. Just walking down the hill from Paul's place. This is the main road out of his place. As you can see, the snow is quite thick, and we sure as hell ain't going to be driving through this. There's Paul there, the snow blower, trying to clean it up a bit. So it's going to be a long day.